We are going to make a pineapple upside down cake in the microwave. I watched Heather do this the other day and it looked like it turned out so good. And so I did it on my live this morning and it did turn out so good. So we're going to do it again for you. 1 egg, 1/4 cup of applesauce. Heather used a dash of vanilla. I'm going to do a dash of cake batter. That might be just a little too much, but we'll see. And we're going to do a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to mix that up. Okay, now you're going to take another bowl and you're going to get some spray, whatever spray you want to use, and spray the bottom. Then you're going to get you some brown sugar. I am using the Splenda brown sugar. And you're just going to sprinkle that on the bottom. Maybe like a teaspoon. Then you're going to get a pineapple slice and put it right on top of your brown sugar. And then a cherry. And put it right in the center of your pineapple slice, just like that. Then you're going to take your batter and you're going to pour it right on top. And we're going to put it in the microwave on 2 minutes. Look at that. Perfection. Alrighty, where do we start? Where do we start? Gotta get part of that pineapple. Look at that, you guys. Yes. This is perfection. If you like pineapple upside down cake, you gotta do it, okay? Live your best life.